Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change your Facebook password. So let's begin our video. First of all, you just need to open your Facebook app and then you just need to tap on the top right corner three-line menu bar icon and then scroll down and select settings and privacy. Right now select settings and then select see more in account center. Then select password and security. Right now select change password. Right now select your profile and you just need to type your current password and then you just need to type your new password and then retype your new password. So after that you just need to select change password. After select change password, then you successfully change your password on Facebook. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.